Hello everyone, this is July the 4th on page 45 of Alfred Basic Piano 1A, and we are still in the 3/4 time signature, which is our ballet movement. So we're going to be trying this, we're going to be playing this song, but before we play, we want you to find the fourth. So if you look at this C, this is F, that's the fourth, this is D, this is G, that's another fourth. Yeah, so we have, yeah, those are the 2/4 that we have there. So let's hear what it sounds like. Right? You see that I heard it longer, the last note longer, because we have a tie here. So don't forget the tie, and don't forget that this is a phrase. So I'll play the bass, the second line. So it's gonna be like this. Then I'll play everything from the beginning again. Thank you.